Hi, this is Kim from Sage Online, and I wanted to walk you through the Research Cafe. Once you get the link to the course and follow the prompts, this is the home page. There's a brief introduction here that we created, and then we created a resources block here, different videos on how to upload a video to YouTube from a PC or mobile device, what the different viewing settings in YouTube mean, how to use Screencast-O-Matic, how to upload a link, um, how to enable closed captioning if you want that in your video. And we also did a quick video on how to do a big blue button session in case you wanted to have a synchronous session between the faculty. And then we set this up so that each module is a faculty member. So if I were a faculty member and I was going to go in here, I would turn editing on. And then I would go down to my block and I would click edit settings or edit week. And then I would type in Kim Taylor, Sage Online. And then I would scroll down and save changes. And then you'll see that I've claimed that box. We also have a discussion forum here for a cafe discussion. So if after I upload something or if I want to ask questions or have people respond to what I've uploaded, I would post that here, just like a discussion forum in one of your classes. And if I wanted to add a video for my research, I would click upload a URL. I would simply name it, copy and paste the URL. I can add a description and I can click here and the description will display. And then I would just save and return to the course. So I hope you find this helpful. If we can make any changes for you, add any additional resources, we're happy to do so. Feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email, sageonline@sage.edu or 518-244-4580. Thank you.